Say, reach down here and try to take it from me and find out.
I'm not gonna even. I want. He's eating turkey. His second cousin.
Oh! He said, "Now leave me the hell alone when I'm eating." Get a hitch. Here, baby. Here.
It looks really good. The way he's. Well, I already ate it.
Yeah, I believe he just fished through that.
Huh?
He just want to fish through that for what he wanted. You're eating a distant relative. It's like, and I don't care.
He's going into the corner like somebody gonna take his food.
Can we make money off this bird? Cause
Yeah.
I don't think so.